And big giant poodle is now at SM. Oh, they're hugging the owner. Look at them, so big. Chanel, big giant poodle, is here at SM with their mother already having lunch. Mag-lunch na sila. So big. Chanel and... Ay, mag-video pa. Pwede ko mag-video, ma'am? Si ano lang siya? Hello. Si Chanel. Big giant poodle. Oh, so big. Oh, hello. Hello, guys. Thanks for watching. Kasi ilagay ko sa YouTube. Ha? For my, subscribers. I found a big giant poodle here. Look at her. Oh. So beautiful. This is Chanel. And then, her daughter is Elaine. Nangalan siya. Celine is eating lunch, oh. Celine eating lunch. With her yaya, oh. The mother of Celine and Chanel. So I asked the owner. What's Chanel? Big giant poodle is here at SM. They're having lunch today. So cute, so amazing. It's my first time to see this big giant poodle. Hello, Chanel. Hello, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. This is Elaine. Thanks for watching, guys. So big giant poodle. Thanks, Chanel, for video. For my content today. Giant poodle. So amazing.
We just eat a cow.
Having lunch here. I Celine. Thanks, Celine and Chanel. Love you, Chanel. Thanks for watching, guys. Giant poodle. Oh, so cute. Si Chanel na siya, oh. Celine. They're sitting down. Behave like this sila na. How about you? Giant poodle. Aras siya masyado. Thanks for watching.